Stand mixers. Here are 5 that will quietly outlast the most famous kitchen appliance in America. And the reason comes down to a $400 motor secret that KitchenAid would rather you never find out about. Every year, nearly 3 million KitchenAid stand mixers roll off the assembly line at a single factory in Greenville, Ohio. They come in dozens of colors, sit on countertops like sculptures, and get passed down from mothers to daughters with the reverence of family heirlooms. And yet, buried inside that beautiful cast metal housing is an engineering decision that virtually guarantees you'll be paying for repairs or replacing the whole machine far sooner than you'd expect. Here's what's actually going on inside. Crack open a KitchenAid stand mixer and you'll find a gearbox packed with a combination of metal and nylon gears. The nylon ones aren't there because they're better. They're there because they're designed to fail first. KitchenAid calls them sacrificial gears. The idea is that when you overwork the mixer, the nylon gear strips before the metal gears or the motor burn out. Sounds reasonable on paper, but in practice, it means the single most common repair on a KitchenAid mixer is replacing a worm gear that was engineered to self-destruct. And that's not even the worst part. Multiple repair technicians have confirmed that KitchenAid's entire motor and gearbox assembly lacks thread lock compound on its screws, every single one of them. That means the screws holding the motor to the chassis and the screws holding the transmission case together slowly back out over time from normal vibration during use. When that transmission case separates even slightly, the gears jump around, fall out of alignment, and strip. The grease packed into the gear housing at the factory can liquefy and leak directly into your bowl. And KitchenAid's warranty to cover all of this? 1 year. 1 year for a $449 machine. Now here are the mixers that do it differently. The first is the Ankarsrum Assistant Original, model AKM 6230 from Sweden. The story of the Ankarsrum begins in 1940 when a Swedish designer named Alvar Lenning was tasked by Electrolux with converting a professional restaurant kitchen device into something compact enough for home use. What he created became a national treasure. In Sweden, the Ankarsrum gets handed down through generations like fine silverware, and over 2 million units have been sold in more than 30 countries. That kind of loyalty doesn't happen by accident, and it's worth noting that America's Test Kitchen ranked the Ankarsrum first in its stand mixer testing, a meaningful signal from perhaps the most trusted independent testing organization in American cooking. The Ankarsrum works fundamentally differently from a KitchenAid. Instead of an attachment spinning inside a stationary bowl, the bowl itself rotates against a roller and scraper. This rotating bowl system distributes force more evenly, reduces strain on the motor, and mimics the motion of hand kneading far more naturally than any planetary mixer can. That matters especially when you're working with something like a sourdough starter or a high hydration loaf, where proper gluten development depends on sustained, even pressure, not the jerky overhead torque of a planetary drive. The motor runs at 600 watts, which sounds modest until you understand the difference between wattage and torque. The Ankarsrum delivers superior torque directly to the dough, which is what actually matters when you're working with dense, low hydration bread. In independent testing, it outworked every other stand mixer when dough got dense, and nothing else in its class handled a 50% hydration whole wheat dough without overheating. Each unit is assembled by hand in Sweden, individually tested, built from recycled aluminum, and backed by a 7-year motor warranty. 7 years, that's 7 times longer than KitchenAid. You don't offer a 7-year warranty unless you know the machine will last 30. You can find the Ankarsrum at Williams-Sonoma and Sur La Table, as well as specialty retailers like Pleasant Hill Grain. The second mixer is the Bosch Universal Plus, model MUM6N10UC from Germany. Backed by over 70 years of German engineering, the Bosch Universal Plus hides its greatest advantage underneath the bowl. While KitchenAid and most competitors use an overhead planetary drive system, the Bosch uses a bottom drive motor. The power sits below the bowl and drives upward, delivering high torque directly into the dough rather than fighting gravity from above. This design handles up to 15 pounds of dough without straining. 15 pounds. Put that much whole wheat into a KitchenAid Artisan, and you will hear that sickening grinding sound within minutes. The sound of nylon gears sacrificing themselves exactly as designed. If you are proofing multiple batches, developing gluten in a stiff rye, or working through a serious bread baking routine, that capacity difference is everything. The Bosch runs on an 800-watt motor and comes with a 3-year warranty, but customers routinely report 15 to 25 years of reliable daily use. The machine is compact, lightweight, and stores easily, which is an underrated advantage when you are talking about something built to last 2 decades. The third mixer is the Kenwood Chef from Britain. Kenneth Maynard Wood founded his company in 1947 with a simple philosophy: produce luxury items that would quickly be seen as necessities. The Kenwood Chef, introduced in 1950, became exactly that, and over 70 years of continuous innovation later, Kenwood, now owned by DeLonghi Group, has built one of the most impressive legacies in kitchen engineering. Here's a detail that tells you everything about how Kenwood thinks about durability. Attachments made for Kenwood Chef models today are still compatible with machines dating back to 1976. That's 47 years of backward compatibility, and in an industry that profits from obsolescence, Kenwood designed a system that rewards loyalty across nearly half a century. The Kenwood Titanium Chef Patissier XL runs on a 1,400-watt motor, making it the most powerful mixer on this list by a significant margin. In the UK, it carries a 5-year warranty, and while the US warranty drops to 1 year, with 3 years of limited coverage, the machine itself is identical. Manufacturing did move to China several years ago, but engineering and quality control remain firmly British. The power, the heritage, and that remarkable attachment compatibility make the Kenwood a mixer genuinely built for the long haul. The fourth mixer is the Hobart N50, and this one brings the story full circle. KitchenAid was created by Hobart Corporation. Herbert Johnson, a Hobart engineer, invented the electric stand mixer in 1908 after watching a baker struggle with bread dough and a metal spoon. By 1914, the Model H was standard equipment on United States Navy ships. Then, in 1986, Hobart sold KitchenAid to Whirlpool Corporation and went back to what it does best: commercial-grade equipment. The N50 is a 5-quart commercial mixer that happens to fit on a home countertop. Its gear-driven transmission provides consistent performance with positive drive, even under the heaviest use, and there is no downtime waiting for it to cool off, which is a common frustration with home stand mixers pushed to their limits. It is in the same category as the commercial spiral mixers used in professional bakeries, but scaled for a home setting. At $1,200 and up, the N50 is not cheap, but it is built to last decades, not years, and if you bake seriously and often, the math works out faster than you would think, especially once you factor in the repair costs you will never pay. The fifth mixer is the Cuisinart Precision Master. Not everyone needs a Swedish heirloom or a commercial-grade workhorse. For a solid, reliable stand mixer under $300, the Cuisinart Precision Master is the smartest money you can spend. At $249, it's $200 less than a KitchenAid Artisan, and it delivers genuinely comparable performance for everyday baking. It won't need 15 pounds of bread dough, and it's not going to last 30 years, but it's honest about what it is. That honesty matters in a market where a $449 mixer ships with gears designed to break. And that's really the heart of all this. The secret KitchenAid keeps isn't just about nylon gears or missing thread lock compound. It's about a fundamental choice between building something to last and building something to be repaired. A KitchenAid that needs $100 to $200 in gear, repairs every few years, will cost you more over a decade than an Anker's Room that runs maintenance-free for 30 years. KitchenAid invented the stand mixer, and that's a genuine piece of American industrial history dating back to 1919. But inventing something and continuing to build it with integrity are two very different things. The companies on this list, Swedish, German, British, and yes, even Hobart, the original creators, they chose durability. In an age of planned obsolescence, that choice is worth knowing about.